Hey, this is Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com, and in this quick lesson, I want to show you how to use the Pixelate filter in Harmony Premium. So if you look at our character Camper here, here is the Pixelate filter on, it's off, on, off, on. So you can basically do nice little pixelated or 8-bit looks with a character or a piece from the character. So I want to show you how simple that is to do. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to go over to my node view and got this set up. And if I select the hand here and just press the letter O, it focuses in on that. There's my robot hand. And what I'll need to do is go to the node library. So just type in here, Pixel. And there's the Pixelate filter. I'll just drag this up. And you've got several different ports here. So what I'll need to do is put the robot hand into that first port. And I'll drag that back down to the composite. All right, now if you're noticing, there's nothing showing up yet. Well, the way this works is you have to also drag in what the mat will be. And it's basically saying what part of this do you want pixelated. And since we want the whole hand, I'm just going to drag a copy of that to the map. All right. And so there we have that set up. And I want to go to the render view just to see the effect. All right. And so there is our effect. Now it is a little bit large for what I want. So I can go in here to the layer properties of the Pixelate filter. Just click on the yellow square. And by default, it's set up at 125 or 0.0125. So if I bring this up to 2, all right, that's even larger. So I'm gonna put it back at 125 and show you a little trick here. I come over here, I can bring this down and you can see the look that we have. I think I'll bring this down a little bit more. All right, that looks pretty good. So we did 0.004 and that's if I invert it. It's basically doing a nice little outline there. It's kind of cute, but not what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. So there we have it, and I've just attached that to the hand. What I also want to try out, I'm going to copy this, Command C, Command V, Control V on PC. I'm going to disable this. I'm going to simply press the letter D. And what I want to do is drag Pixelate down here to the base. I want to pixelate the entire character. So I have everything being dumped into this composite. So I'm going to right click, come down to Insert, Combine, and go Composite. So drag the display there and the right there. Drag the composite there into the Pixelate. There's nothing happening yet. So let's drag in the mat there. So now we've actually done a nice little pixelation for the entire character. Now, Camper wasn't designed to really do 8-bit, so we'd probably use something a little simpler, but this is how you can make something look pretty freaking cool. Yeah. So I think that's pretty nice. And you can render out this really cool effect. Now, thanks for watching and letting you know TonyTeach is turning 50. Well, not TonyTeach, actually. Me, Tony Ross, is turning 50. And to celebrate that, we're throwing a little bit of a discount, a temporary discount. I have 50 coupons for anything on our new Gumroad store. I have 50 coupons for our Gumroad store, and basically letting you know that our newest course, our Create Simple Turnaround Rigs and Harmony Essentials, as well as Camper's course, which is our Anatomy of a 30-second short, and Animating to Music. All of these, I have a coupon that you can actually get these for just $10 each. And I only have 50 of those coupons. So once they're gone, they're gone. And also, my birthday is on Sunday. So after Sunday, those coupons are no longer valid. So anyway, yes, 50 coupons, $10 each. So if you've been waiting for a crazy sale, this would be it. So anyway, check out gumroad.com/TonyTeach. Use the coupon code TONYS50. Meanwhile, make art, not excuses. Go make something. Have a good one.